I hope all is well for you. Today we will see what are some great advertisements. This video is brought to you by Question Response. Thanks to Shubhi Agarwal, Mohit Garg, Sarthak Raj Baral and Azan Ullah for sharing their views with us. Let's go for Shubhi Agarwal's first answer.
Saw this video on a page. Scene 1, a group of little girls entering in a truck manufacturing company. The factory looks like this. They are asked several questions after that. Question number 1. Girl 1, no. Girl 2, no. Girl 3, yes, of chocolates. Question 2. Girl 1, machines. Girl 2, trucks, cars. Girl 3, robots. Question 3. Girl 1, tall men. Girl 2, strong men. Girl 3, fit men. Question 4. Then there comes a group of women. Felt like worth sharing.
The following answer is from Mohit Garg.
Mercedes congratulated BMW on completing 100 years. Look at their intelligence of marketing. While they are congratulating BMW for 100 years, they are also highlighting that they have crossed 130 years. Exclamation mark. Masterstroke in advertising. Image source, LinkedIn.
The next answer is from Sarthak Raj Baral. You're familiar with Count Dracula, right? The creation of Bram Stoker, the archetypal vampire is one of the most iconic fictional characters of all time. The character was immortalised on the big screen by the inimitable Sir Christopher Lee. Being a vampire, the Machiavellian Count has an understandable aversion to sunlight, it can kill him after all. Dracula does his bidding when the lights go out. The sun goes down, the Count comes out. MyUNIVERSEWILLNEVERBETHESAME.I single quote MGLADYOUCAME. BBC's new Dracula series, starring Claes Bang as the titular character, played with that idea in a truly brilliant way for a billboard. Not to go off on a tangent here, but how cool of a name is Claes Bang. Some actors have straight up cool names. You know, like Rip Torn, Benedryl Cabbagepatch, Armie Hammer, Bandersnatch Cucumberjack, Powers Boothe, Bournvita Cumbersnack, Steve McQueen, Billabong Curdlesack, Lee Pace, and Bosferatu Cricketmatch. Wait, where were we? Dracula, right. To promote the show, the BBC used this billboard. Now, that's pretty cool. Wooden stakes and blood. Classic Dracula imagery. Buddy, you ain't seen nothing yet. Remember, vampires can't go out in the day. The Count comes out when the sun goes down. I don't use the word genius lightly. And so I won't. But this is truly a feat of creativity because it weaves in the lore of the character and the story. Also, it's bloody cool. Whoever came up with the idea deserves something meaningful and significant. Maybe a thank you note from Brandybuck Custardsack. I'm sorry. I'm obsessed. We continue with Azan Ullah's answer.
Sony sells 4GB MP3 Walkman in water bottles as a proof that it's really waterproof. 1. After launching Say in Las Vegas in 2013, Sony approached Auckland-based advertisement agency for their Walkman Sports MP3 player with internal memory of 4GB. 2. This device was designed for all-time usage purpose. And its main feature is its resistance against water damage. It doesn't only withstand water but also sweat from intense workouts, an easy thing for even athletes and swimmers to use. To advertise its unique feature, Sony sells it in a water bottle to show people that it actually is a waterproof modern perfect device. Footnotes. 1. Sony sells waterproof Walkman in a bottle of water. 2. Sony sells waterproof 4GB MP3 Walkman in bottles of water.
This is the end of the video. I hope you have more answers. You can now subscribe if you like the video more. Remember to also leave a like, it helps for the referencing on YouTube. We are coming to the end of this video. Share your views on this question in the comments. See you next time.